Drawing on a PDF can be really useful. Maybe you need to highlight important information, you need to take notes, or just get creative. So with the tool I'm about to show you, you will be able to draw on any PDF in a simple way without any software, 100% online. So let's start it. First, we need to go to PDFBeast.com and choose the section called Draw PDF. Here, you can upload your document by clicking Upload your file. Once it's ready, the PDF editor will open and you'll see different tools to work with. You've got a pencil tool that lets you draw freely anywhere you want. You can change the color and even move your drawings around later. And of course, you have shapes like circles and square, perfect for highlighting key parts of your documents. And yes, you can change the color and position too. And finally, my favorite part, arrows and lines. Arrows are great for pointing out something specific, while lines are perfect for underlining text or making sections. Again, everything can be customized and moved around. And once you're done, just hit download and you'll get your edited PDF in seconds. As you can see, the process is so easy and so intuitive, and in seconds you will be able to draw anything on your PDF in a simple way. So if you want to try out this tool, you just click on the link in the description below, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm about to show you more videos about PDF really soon. And in the meantime, click on those because they are really useful as well.